Today, in this video session, you will learn why to use eggs for healthier hair and how to make egg mask for hair growth. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video, as we are going to start. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. And because hair is 80% protein, applying protein-rich eggs to hair can help replenish the protein lost through styling, making hair stronger and better able to stand up to heat. It's not just the hair shaft itself that benefits from eggs, they can do wonders for your scalp as well. Applying eggs directly to the roots helps infuse hair follicles with much-needed vitamins and minerals. Nourishing the scalp encourages new hair to grow stronger and be less prone to breakage or shedding. And when your hair doesn't fall out as much, it appears thicker and healthier. Now, how to make egg mask for hair growth. Mix 2 to 3 whole eggs with 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice, which helps to reduce the egg scent of the mask. Beat the mixture until it is frothy. Apply to the hair by putting the egg mixture on the hands and working it into the hair. Afterward, cover the hair with a shower cap. Leave on for about 20 minutes. During this time, the egg mixture will dry and feel sticky to the touch. Later, rinse off the egg with cold or cool water. Note: rinsing with hot water can cause the egg to clump in the hair. While this is not a significant problem, it can require several washes to get the egg out. Now, shampoo and condition the hair as normal. For best results, you have to repeat this hair treatment once or twice a month. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.